entry is over there. You see it?
Yep. Sometimes when I go a little faster, it does, like to go up the hill, but yeah.
The routes you see right now off to the left are nothing at all compared to what you're going to see in about 10-15 seconds. There's a route right here. I ride that one on the right next to the edge of the tree so I don't bump into it. You see that? Beautiful red maples on the ground. Yeah, usually the water sometimes is right up here. Okay. My root beer patch should be coming up pretty soon here. Yep. Okay, it's after this spot. Here's another marsh. No. Here's another low marsh that sometimes floods this area. Right about now, you're going to get bounced around. And that ain't nothing. Wait till you make this turn that I'm on right here. You got Root Lollapalooza.
Root berry patch? Okay. That wasn't it right there. Yeah. Is that what the Rootsville? Look. I don't know. Okay. Yep. Yep. That's how I did that one when I got stuck that one time. I come into where it is hot on the right one.
hairpin. Now watch that if you get stupid, because there's a tree right there.
Not great.
Yeah, you see how easy that right tree there comes up? You should have seen how close it was when I played stupid with it. I like to play games. Oh, I got a chipmunk coming up the tree. I didn't get him, he just jumped the tree. Oh, this is also where you want to be sitting up on your tank, okay? Because you want your front tires to get maximum traction when you turn the tires, okay? You don't want to be sitting on the back and the front end skidding when you want it to turn. Remember in the introduction video of how to ride a quad? That's why you have a monster seat so you can strap that gas tank right up your coochie.
I'm doing great.
Okay, just came out of that route. We're going up over the overpass of the highway. US 127. Payment's gonna end. Fun begins. This hill is nothing drastic, okay?
Fun therapy. Dumb therapy. Ooh. Could you tell me where those are? I lost you. I see you. Girlfriend just asks that you let her know where there's roots at.
Little root out the left side, just run it over, don't make it pushy, okay? See it? Sun in your eyes, I don't see anything. Got a stop sign. Got some roots over there. Roots on the right. bad. Nothing bad. Coming down. Pretty nice. I haven't been down here in years. Definitely a fun trail. Several nice lefts and rights there. Pretty neat. That way. That's what I thought. He must be the fast one waiting for his buddy. Yeah. Stop sign. Nice little lefts and right sweepers. Okay. Now I know. Thought I knew where I was at before. There's a little creek. See me? Okay. I'll wait for you. Watch out, there's roots on the left and the right. I made it, so you should too. Doggone pretty. Why'd the chicken cross the road? Because it wanted to get back on the trail. Are you there? I'll just take it easy until I want to enjoy it. Beautiful. Usually it's wet. Like especially this spot right here that I'm going in, where it's like 3 feet deep. That's a wet spot. That's why over there it's extra trails that go through there. You see that? God, these firms are badass, ain't they? Dumps on the left. On the right. Leaves are falling all around. This time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged. I had a pleasant stay. cars in the trailhead. Like sand through the hourglass. Yeah, well, there's one in us over there and one over there. And we're gonna make the right turn. Now, you ready? Gotta stop. Oh, okay. Did they pass you or did they stay there? Alright. Let's reenact this, people. So right there. Baby, rolled her over, broke collarbone, 5 ribs, and a punctured lung. Right there. Did you see that? We're all right, baby. Woo! That was all right. Oh, there's Muskegon River. Drop the quad off, okay? How was your ride today?
I enjoyed it very much so.
Did you like the 50-inch trails or did you like the big trail, the roots?
I like the 15-inch one.
50.
50-inch one.
Okay. A little bit easier on your thumb. You got moving instead of just one constant speed, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're going to pause out of here. Leota Trails.
Beautiful.
Trailhead. Sunday late afternoon. October 20, 2024.